Well, if you've been wanting to fix your teeth, but you've been holding back because of the cost, there is another option for you. I want you to meet Dr. Jose Valenzuela of Cosmetic and Implant Dentistry Center in Los Algodones, Mexico. We've met him before on Sonoran Living. He's just blocks from the U.S. border, and we're so excited that you're joining us in our studio this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Well, thank you for coming in. First of all, a lot of people think about a dental implant procedure, but they don't think about going to Mexico for that to happen. You've been doing these procedures very successfully for a very long time. Tell me about that.
Yes, we have been performing these procedures for over 10 years now. Actually about 15 years now, with very, very good success rates. And actually I started to get into implant dentistry basically as a frustration as how I could help my patients feel better, look better, and basically give them another option.
Yes.
And basically hope,
Yes. Yes, and I know you were explaining to me, I want to take a look at some before and after pictures, because you were telling me that it literally can change your facial structure by having these implants. Tell me about some of the photos that we're looking at.
Right. For example, this patient came in with discolored periodontal problems, and basically it was what we call a terminal dentition. Basically the patient knows that there is a ticking time bomb towards how long their teeth are going to be in there without affecting their overall health. So basically you can see that the transformation is amazing, and the patient is basically smiles confidently, looks better, feels better. It's like a big change.
And it really is about your overall health as well. Having good teeth does affect your health, doesn't it, doctor?
It affects your relationship with others, it affects your career, it affects social interaction. I think it's a big impact on a patient's life.
You call it the all-on-4 full reconstruction. What does that mean?
It means that with a few implants, sometimes 4 to 6 implants, we can attach a fixed denture or fixed bridge onto the patient's implant, and it's non-removable, it stays in place, and the patient is able to chew comfortably, speak comfortably, and basically have a fixed solution, like if they were his or her natural teeth.
It's really about quality of life at that point, isn't it?
Definitely.
Now, Dr. Valenzuela, I'm going to be honest with you, there's a lot of options here, right here in the Valley. Why should people travel to Mexico to have you treat them?
Well, it's basically two reasons, main reasons. Cost and quality, okay? They can save a bunch, okay? And basically not compromising the quality of the work, and also a personal attention or a personal approach to how the patient is seen. And
you have to go through all of the same qualifications and everything else as any other doctor here, right?
Yes.
But it's the cost savings that is really what's propelling people to come. And from what I understand, people fly in from everywhere. It's not just here in Arizona.
Yes. They fly in from Florida, they fly in from Denver, Washington, from Minneapolis, all over the place. Yes.
Well, good for you. That means you're very good at what you do.
No, we love what we do, basically, and that I think is a key to success.
Now, for those of us who live here in Arizona and want to travel, you just drove in yesterday. What's the drive like, and how easy is it to find your office?
2 hours and a half.
Okay.
And we're 2 blocks from the border, which is walking distance. It's pretty safe, and we have, as here, the winter visitors during these months, and yeah.
Yeah, and with the implant surgeries, does it require more than one treatment?
Usually it requires about 2 to 3 visits.
Okay.
The implants need to integrate onto the jawbone.
Gotcha.
So it is multiple visits, but sometimes it can be solved in as easy as 1 or 2 appointments.
Okay, it just depends on your
each case.
Your client. All right. Well, Dr. Valenzuela, thank you for coming into our studio and sharing your stories and your before and afters, which are amazing.
Thank you.
We appreciate you for that. All right, let me tell you that Dr. Valenzuela, he's also brought our Sonoran Living viewers a very special offer. This is for the month of December only. You get a free consultation and a free CT scan when you visit him. The Cosmetic and Implant Dentistry Center is located in Los Algodones, Mexico, which is just west of the border, as Dr. Valenzuela mentioned, walking distance across the border there. You can call them toll free at 866, that's 866-297-6167, or visit his website at algodondesdentalimplants.com.